How to add a child on Ryanair. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I will teach you how you can add a child on Ryanair. So the first step is to log in into your Ryanair account. Alright. Once you're logged in and you're brought to the home page, you can see some icons on the screen. By the left side, top left corner, you'll see the Ryanair logo, and then towards the right, you'll see options like plan, my bookings, verification, the account name, help, then the country. And then once you can see all of this, below it you'll see other options too, such as flight, car hire, hotel, event, and activities. Then once you can see all of this, below the flight, ensure that you've selected the flight. All right. So below the flight, you can see options like return trip, one way, apply promo code, and then the two options you can either select is return trip or one way, and then you can now select the kind of trip you want. Then once you've selected the kind of trip you want, you have to select where you are coming from, all right, and you have to select where you're heading to as well. Let's scroll down. Okay, select it again, and then once you selected where you are heading to, then you have to select a a return date. You have to select flexible date, and then under the passengers option, you would see a box with displayed, right? And in this box you'll see options like adults, teens, children, in fact. So to add a child, all you need to do is just tap on this plus icon here, and then once it's clicked on, the child will be added automatically. Then you can add as many children as you want, and then once you're done, click on done. And then once you click on done, scroll up and then click on search. But first of all, you have to check this box, then click on search. And from there, you'll be redirected to another page where you have to search out the flights available. You can then select the one that appeals to you. Go ahead, add your seats, bags, extras, etc. And your flights will be booked. So this is how you can add a child on Ryanair.com. Very, very simple. Ensure you try it out today. Thanks for watching.